I want this channel to grow, and I want to give back as much as I can. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And guess what, guys? I am launching memberships. You're probably wondering, why are you doing that? Because I want to give more back to you, right? Because memberships is extremely important for you guys to get more involved with me. My exclusive content will be on the community tab. Everything that you want to see that's exclusive will be there. You're probably not even aware it even exists, but you guys need to check out the community tab for exclusive content. That's where it'll be. Right in the beginning, you'll be getting custom badges and emojis for the first level of membership. And there'll be more as it progresses, but I just want you guys to know, the higher levels that you get, the more perks you will receive. At the $5 level, I will be doing shout outs, no doubt. If you are a member, I'll shout out. I'll tell people to go. If you have a channel, I'll tell people to go to your channel, whatever it may be. I love doing that kind of thing. You know me, I like to pay it forward. I always like to do such a thing. I will be offering higher levels with different content and perks, such as behind-the-scene footage and bloopers. I think you may enjoy some of that stuff. Sneak peeks of videos before anyone else sees them. So in other words, if I publish a video tomorrow and it's not scheduled to go until maybe 5 days from now, you'll get to see it before anybody else. You'll have your own private room on my Discord server. That's other levels. I haven't rolled them out yet, but that's what will happen. You'll have the opportunity to have a 20-minute discussion with me on a private channel, just you and I. Okay, if you want to talk about anything hardware related, whatever you want, you have 20 minutes per month, and we could just talk. That's also part of it, and there'll be additional other options as well. But I just want you guys to be aware that I want to roll this out, and I think I want you guys to be more, friendly with me. Instead of just me talking to you, I want you guys to talk to me back with comments, thumbs up, all that kind of stuff. I want this channel to grow, and I want to give back as much as I can. Without you, I'm zero. We just hit 15,000 subscribers. As of right now, we're just over 15,200 subscribers. Very exciting, and we're growing rapidly. I like to include or add additional tech reviewers to my channel, and hopefully we'll get there. And with your help, we will. So guys, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.